Do CPA Marketing. CPA stands for Cost Per Action. CPA is one of the popular ways of making money on internet. CPA marketing is very simple. You get paid when someone clicks on your affiliate link and completes an action. That action could be providing an email address, signing up for a free trial of a product, downloading a mobile app, requesting a quote. CPA is a easier CPA is easier because you will earn money even if a product is not sold. Unlike affiliate marketing where somebody must purchase a product for you to receive commission. CPA model works on lead generation. Many big companies are willing to pay big commission for generating targeted leads. Your job is to just get them a lead. They will do the rest of the work for you. It is suitable for first people who love to talk, write, explain, and have the ability to pursue others. Second, best for people who already own a blog or a website with some daily traffic. Skills required in CPA marketing. Number 1, ability to promote CPA affiliate links using social media, videos, forum marketing, paid ads, etc. Ability to pursue and convince people through right argument and explanation. Time required for CPA marketing. To start CPA marketing and earn commission, you need to find an offer you promote, then get accepted by a CPA network. You can find an offer almost instantly, but getting accepted into a CPA network might take a week. But once accepted, you can instantly start promoting an offer of your wish. Now let's talk about the tips you should consider while doing CPA marketing. First, find different offers. Your first step here will be to find different CPA offers available in the market. And the best way to dig them out is to visit odigger.com and offerwall.com. Both these sites work as search engines for finding CPA offers. They aggregate offers from all the reputed CPA networks available worldwide. Second, select your perfect offer. If you already own a blog in any particular niche, then select an offer related to that niche. Make sure it is relevant to your blog and audience. For example, if your blog talks about Android app gaming, then a CPA offer which pays you when somebody installs an Android game would be a perfect for you. Third, getting accepted. Believe or not, but getting accepted into CPA networks has become a huge stumbling block for most of the marketers. Most of the CPA networks nowadays implement tough scrutiny to ensure that only high quality and legitimate marketers get access to their offers. This is to prevent any fraud or any illegitimate activity. While doing CPA marketing, you should also be honest. CPA networks filter out scammers and not the legitimate people, so make sure the information you provide is real and is not shady. Don't try to trick them. Know your offer. If you already know what offer you want to promote, then it's a great plus point. You will be asked about it when you will fill the application. This shows that you are one with a plan. Know your traffic sources. While filling your application, you will be asked about your traffic sources. So, you must know how people are going to reach you. Are you going to promote it through email marketing, mobile ads, writing an article on blog, or anything else? You must clearly mention about it. Optimize your blog. Once you have joined a network and selected your CPA offer, it's the time to promote it on your blog. The best way to do this is to integrate your affiliate links in the blog's content. This is so far the best way to get higher click-through rates. Another way is you can place banners either on in the header or sidebar section. Always do some experiments and try to optimize your link placement too. Maximize your click-through rates. But while doing so, ensure that you are damaging your blog's user experience. How to monetize? Commission for CPA offers usually range from $0.10 to $10 per action. In some niches, such as insurance, antivirus software, it can go up to $50 per action. Imagine if you could get 10 people to download a trial version of an antivirus software which pays you $50 per install. You will earn $500 without even selling anything. The commissions offered are decided based on the factors such as niche, back-end product cost, product demand and supply, targeted country, and so on. In order to earn maximum commission, it is best that you choose offers which are relevant to your audience and pay higher commission. Thank you.